In a quiet old street, two lives passed each other every day without a single word. A young boy sits in his small shop. Across the road, a girl walks to school. They look at each other. She smiles. He lowers his eyes shyly. Every morning, the same moment happens. She walks to school. He pretends to work but secretly watches. When school ends, she pauses near the gate, turns back, and looks at his shop. Sometimes he stands outside waiting. Sometimes he hides inside, but their eyes always meet. Days turn into months, still no words, only smiles, only glances. The boy begins waiting earlier every day. The girl walks slower, just to pass the shop. Their silent world grows. One morning, she walks past the shop again, but this time, her smile feels different. She looks at him for a little longer. The next day, she doesn't come. Days pass, weeks pass. The boy waits outside his shop, every morning, every afternoon, looking at the empty road. But she never comes again. Some stories are never spoken, but time never forgets.
So friends, hopefully you have enjoyed this wonderful movie I entirely created by using AI. And now, in order to create your full movie, even you don't need any expensive camera, any directors, even you don't need any actresses or actor at all. All you have to do by writing kind of prompt and create your images and amazing visual for your movie scene. So without wasting time, let's dive in. Just create our first movie scene by using AI. So first of all, we need a story. So I have my own story. So I have just write a story and just I paste this prompt here to ChatGPT. So it will enhance that for me. Apart from that, it will give me prompt for creating images. Plus it will give me the prompts to create visuals. First of all you have to do, you need an actor or actress. For that, you know that I just selected Hayat, and she is kind of my crush as well, but you know that we cannot use her images to create a scene. That will be kind of copyright issue we will face. But for that, what I have, as I use one of Hayat picture and another I have here one of my friend. So I just took one picture from my favorite actress Hayat, and second picture I took, she is kind of my friend. So I just combined them and I just asked AI to use both features and create a new model for me. So now as you can see that it has created this wonderful model for me. She is totally unique, but she is AI based and there is no copyright issue while I'll create a movie scene by using her picture. So you can use the same for your actor. You can select any of your favorite actor and then you can go through the same process to create your actor as well. So once you have your picture, as you can see, I already upload both pictures and I already passed the prompt, and this is my end result. And you can see that there will be the dialogues. ChatGPT has given me the dialogues which will be using in movie, and there you can see that it has given me prompt number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 prompts to create images in my movie scene. And after that, you can see that it has given me prompt for Google VEO3 to generate movies from those pictures. It has given me complete script from picture to video. Each and everything has done by AI. But how you can do that? For that, all you have to do, just upload both pictures and just paste this prompt here. If you have your own story, that's perfect. If you don't have your own story, just ask ChatGPT. It will give you a perfect story for your upcoming movie. But I have my own story, so I just paste this with pictures. So it will give me the prompt for pictures and video by using the same actress and actor as well. So now you can see that ChatGPT has given us the short movie title including the dialogues, and you can see the prompt for images. Apart from that, it has given us the prompt for our visuals as well. So first of all we have to do, we have to create images from those prompts. So just copy the first prompt and just search Gemini. And you will also find this link in description. So all you have to, like, you will get absolutely free credit to create your images. There will be, you have to select the prop, and here you have to select the images, and all you have to do, you have to paste the prompt. And then you can see that this prompt is mostly related to the boy, so we have to upload the picture of the guy, the actor. So once we upload the picture of the guy, just we have to submit this. It will keep the same consistent character, and it will give us a different scene with this actor. So as you can see that Gemini already kept the same character. It has provided us different scene with the same actor. So in this way, like we can go for the next prompt. Just copy the next prompt that is related to the girl, and we have to copy the prompt, and just we have to go to Gemini and just paste the prompt, and then we have to upload the girl picture, and it will give us the scene with that girl. So once we have our pictures ready, as I'll show you, some of my pictures are I already created most of the pictures by using the same way. So as you can see that I have created different scene by using the same way. You can also create your own pictures the same way which I have created. So once you are done with your pictures, all you have to do, you have to bring these pictures in live. So you have to create a movie kind of scene by using these pictures. So what you have to do for that, you have to search Google Flow. So I will also keep this link in description as well. As you can see that when you search Google Flow, and you will see interface like this. So as you can see that I have created all my movie scene by using this technology. So you can easily access this one, and you will get 100 credit absolutely free. There are different ways. If you run out of your credit, you can use different email and you can get 100 more credits. So in this way you can create as many scenes as you want. So you can see that I have created all my scene by using this AI tool. So in order to use this tool, I will go from start. So all you have to click on new project and just paste your prompt and just upload the picture. So once you upload your picture, just select that picture, and here you have different option. So as I'm making this movie for YouTube, so I'll select landscape, and once you're done with that, just you have to submit that. And now you can see that Gemini has created perfect scene for us. So the same way you can use, you can copy the prompt from ChatGPT, the video prompt, and bring that to Google Flow. Just paste that here. If that prompt is about girl, just upload her picture. If that scene is about the boy, you can upload the picture of the boy. If the scene is combined, they all have to perform any action. You have to upload both pictures from here. Once you're done with that, just click on submit here, and it will create a scene for you. So guys, once you're done with that, all you have to do, you have to open any editing software. I like Adobe Premiere Pro. So in this way you can bring all your clips and your video and also your voiceover, and then you can use any background music, and you can combine all these here, and after that your movie will be ready. So if you like this session useful, please share, subscribe DeepMind AI.